I see now some of y'all need to stay motivated, so I'm going to give it to you because I see you ain't been getting it, all right? Follow your passion. Follow your passion. It's in you for a reason. Look at this. I'm following my passion. If I can do it, you can do it. You feel me? It's in you for a reason. God put that dream in your gut for a reason. God put that dream in your heart for a reason. Because you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Nothing can stop you. No negative words, you know what I'm saying? Naysayers, hating and all that. It cannot stop you because you got God on your side. Why would you quit? Why would you stop? When you got all this talent that the world can see. See what I'm saying? See what I did and what I'm going to continue to do? You can do it. All right? Win over your mind. Never stop dreaming. It's Free Game Friday. Go get it.